how to send a folder in WhatsApp in laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if you want to send a folder in WhatsApp, you'll need to compress it into a zip file. So, I'll show you how. Open up your file explorer, uh, then go to the folder that you want to send on your WhatsApp, then right click on the folder, and then a pop-up comes up. Go to compress to, and then go to zip file, and now you can name your zip file. Now you can go to your WhatsApp in where you want to send the folder. Go to the attachment icon and then tap on document. Now tap on the zip file and then hit open. So you can just hit send. This way you can send a folder on your WhatsApp. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.